What's up, guys? It's Sutak here, and I'm back again. I want to talk about the market cap and the continuous trend in cryptocurrency. So, guys, we are now in January 2018, right? Approximately 1 year ago, the market cap was at $17 billion. So we've added to this point right now $718 billion to the market cap of cryptocurrency since January last year. 1 year. Imagine next January. And so, and look at the Bitcoin dominance just diminishing. All right, it's down to 34.7%. We are now witnessing a takeover of Bitcoin, possibly. All right, Ripple is at half the market cap of Bitcoin right now, and sooner or later, I'm assuming, because this is the banker's coin. All right, this is the official. This is a centralized, supported by venture capitalists and Silicon Valley. So I suspect with that type of backing and the support of Coinbase, this will push up to number one. Guys, if you invest this year in cryptocurrency, chances are you will be wealthy by next year. I mean, it's really that simple. It's that simple. All right. Dash was at $1 last January. Okay. It's at $1,172 now. Bitcoin was at, I think it was at 2,000 or 3,000, 15,000 with the high of 20,000. Okay. Ripple, just a few months ago, was pennies. And now it's $13.13. Ethereum was a few $100s. A lot of these coins were not even up here yet. All right, IOTA, that was very inexpensive. All right, Internet of Things. Rayblocks was very cheap, and now it's $25. All right, that was in the pennies also. Guys, if you invest in the top 20, let's say you take $2,000, you put $100 on everything in the top 20, you are going to be very well off by this time next year. And if you want to get into something even earlier, more at the ground floor level, buy into one of these ICOs: Game Machine, Crypterium, Storiqa, Co-vesting, Coin Loan, USI Tech Token. Gotta refresh this. All right, Dottie token, which is web services, cloud web services on the blockchain. All right, very innovative stuff. Very, very groundbreaking technology that's being worked on, and this one is not even out yet. All right, this hasn't even started. 18 days. We're 18 days away, so make sure you sign up immediately. But my overall point is, even if you don't like to trade, you don't like to do this, you don't like to do that, you can pretty much buy the top 10, top 20, and you will make a lot more money because the entire market is increasing so fast. There's so much money pouring into cryptocurrency because people are seeing it's a viable way to make massive profits. And something interesting I noticed is a lot of companies' dividends are going up right now. So it's having the effect of competing with the stock market and forcing stock companies to come out of their pockets and pay their investors more money, because people are making so much money in crypto that they're moving out of stocks and into cryptocurrency, and companies are feeling it. So they're increasing their dividend payouts. So it's having a great overall effect on the investor. The investor has so much opportunity right now that is insane. All right, because the competition is breeding better deals for the investor. So pretty much, take your pick, really. Invest in these cryptocurrencies, ICOs that I have listed here. And I'm not going to make any price predictions because I'm not supposed to do that. All right, we're not supposed to do that when we promote ICOs. But you will be making a lot of money. You get it on the ground floor. All right, and you buy kind of the market index up to level or number 20, you will be making a lot of money this year. All right, without even trading, without even doing any of that stuff. Just buying them at the current levels. So that's why it's important to learn as much as you can. Take advantage of these opportunities right now, because we don't know what's coming down the pike necessarily in terms of if the market will completely stabilize and things will slow down. We don't know. So I doubt that will happen in the next 2 years. 2 or 3 years, this is still going to be a crazy bear market. But now is the time to get in. All right. And you just ride this bull market all the way up. Get into the ICOs, buy the ICOs. And talk to your friends, talk to your friends and family. Because this is a very complicated subject. A lot of the blockchain itself and the addresses and all that is very complicated for many people. And so if you can simplify it by just explaining, buying and holding Litecoin or buying and holding Ethereum through an app like Coinbase or something else, and you just explain that you just want to buy it and hold it, they become a part of cryptocurrency. And then, they'll check their app, they'll see that Litecoin has gone up $10, and they'll come back and they'll ask you more. That's what happened with me and my cousin. All right, my cousin is much older than I am, so this stuff is kind of beyond him. But I helped him sign up, and I got him Litecoin and Ethereum, and he bought Litecoin and Ethereum, and he came back to me. He was like, "This went up a lot, in a couple of days. How can I get more, or what should I do?" And so I pretty much just told him, since you're not going to be trading, I just told him to sit tight, just hold it, and revisit it next month and see how it trends upward, how it's trending upwards. All right, revisit it in 2 months, check out what it's doing. Revisit it in 5 months and see where it's at, and you will not be disappointed. All right, it's really that simple. So guys, just get your foot in the door, get in the game. That's my advice to you. Join the Telegram group. The Telegram group is right here at the bottom. We have all kinds of people in the Telegram group. We're learning, sharing information. All right, a lot of information that I don't know or I haven't heard of. People in the Telegram group will tell you. So it's kind of like the brain trust is the Telegram group, and everyone shares all their information, and that way you leave no stone unturned. So that's the beautiful thing about the group. So get involved. 2018 is going to be a monstrous year. It's going to be amazing, and get involved. Buy some ICOs, buy some top 20 coins. All right, and by this time next year, you will not be disappointed. You will be incredibly happy that you came across this video and took my advice. So hit the like button. Please subscribe if you like the content. Check out this page. It's in the link below, Sutex Crypto / best ICOs. And I will talk to you later. Peace.